Groucho Marx.
What's Toby's name in Spanish? Be silly again.
Tobias.
Tobias.
Can you say Tobias? Oh, no. Tobias.
Oh, gentle.
Are you getting ready to slide down to the floor? Are you done?
Done.
Okay, off and running? Okay.
Are you done with your pizza, bud? Running, yes. Of course you're running.
You already run very well. You're fast. Faster than greased lightning. Where are you going? There, very good. Very, very good. Look at these people are in the mud.
They're not in the mud, they're in the water.
Oh, that was funny. Disney song at night.